Hey everyone, so I just got macOS Mojave a few days ago and I've been trying around a few things with it and getting to know it, and there's five and a bonus features that I found that I think are really great, so I wanted to share it with you all. So the first feature is improved video controls in Quick Look. The video controls in Quick Look was something that I always found incredibly annoying, and it's a very minor feature but it's very good now. So at the bottom, as you can see, there's this bar now, so you can scrub between the parts in it and you can play and pause it. And this may seem extremely minor, but honestly the controls in QuickTime beforehand were terrible. The next feature is being able to check for updates without having to go through the App Store. So going through the App Store was a pain because you had to wait for it to load, and then you had to go over to the updates page and wait for that to load. But now you can just go straight into system preferences and then go to software update, and you'll be able to update your software from there. If you go under advanced, you can also choose to only install macOS updates or also install app updates. Number 3 is to change the screenshot destination. So what you can do is if you press Command Shift and 5 and then you go to options, you get the option to save it to the desktop but also save it to documents, mail, messages, QuickTime or another location, in which case it will just open up a dialog box and you can just select where you want to save it. Number 4 is that you've now got the option to enable favicons on Safari. So if I go into Safari and then I go to preferences and then I go over to tabs, as you can see there's the option here to show website icons in tabs. And when you enable this, the website icons will now be visible on tabs, which is a nice little feature, again small, but it's pretty nice. Number 5 is that you can easily convert images to PDF files. So to do that, you can just right click on the file, go to Quick Actions and then go to Create PDF. And as you can see, the file will just show up straight underneath it. The annoying thing about this feature though is that it doesn't work for documents. It seems so obvious that it should work for Word or even Pages documents, but neither of them work. I don't know why. But anyway, moving on to the bonus feature, which is number 6, that you can import images or scans to the desktop. They did kind of show this in the Apple Keynote, but they only showed it going to Apple's, Keynote app. But they didn't make it clear that you can do it from the desktop, but you actually can, and it's much more helpful doing it to the desktop. So to do that from the desktop, you just right click, go to import from, iPhone or iPad, depending on which one you've got connected, and then you go to take photo. And then your iOS device will automatically open the camera app, and then when you take a picture and you confirm it, it will show up instantly on your computer. There's the option to scan documents too, but when I tried it out earlier, it's not perfect yet, although I do expect that Apple will make it a lot better over time. And yeah, that's it. Those were my top 5 hidden features in macOS Mojave. Be sure to let me know what your favourite features are down in the comment section down below. Be sure to subscribe to see more technology videos when I do eventually put them out. I am still putting out videos on this channel, but it's just when the opportunity comes to do it and I think of something to do. If there's anything in particular you want to see, leave those in the comments below too. So hope you all have a great day. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.